Stop by and take a look at the 2012 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, fog lights, audio headphone jacks, rear, audio rear, volume control, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.